since you're already here, ma'am, I will not take much time. I have with us Miss Isha Sharma, who is the marketing manager at Snipe Diagnostics, and she will be making a presentation upon Beyond Automation Towards Excellence. So, ma'am, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, sir, for the lovely introduction. I was just going to start with a speech of introducing myself and thanking all of the delegates who are sitting here. I can see big people, and I'm not going to take much time, but thank you, Voice of Healthcare, for giving me the opportunity to talk on Beyond Automation Towards Excellence. As a Snipe Diagnostic, many might have heard the name Maglumi. We are in the industry since 30 years. We are serving 161 countries with a unit global installation of 40,000 analyzers. The journey started, if I talk about it, it started in 1995. And we came in India in 2010 with a hope. And we have a lot of instrument which has been installed. As I said, in India, we have approximately 4,500 units installed. With our annual, if I talk about the company as, yes, the installation is more, so it does require a lot of production. So we have 20,000 unit, which is fully auto analyzer being produced with 9 million reagent kits annually productivity. So yes, we serve our customer. That's very important. Total lab automation system. This is something which, yes, that's their industry since long time, and Snipe has come towards it. So yes, when we talk about Sattler, that is a strong, powerful laboratory automation solution which offers high efficiency, robust performance, and intelligent function. Just a minute, sorry. Just a minute, I'm not able to see. The presentation is not going ahead with this. There's some technical issue. Just a minute, so sorry. Thank you. Everywhere technical team is very important, as you see. So I'll just continue with my presentation. So this is the Sattler Total Lab Automation System, as we call it T8, our new versatile total laboratory automation solution, which looks towards streamline workflow and elevate the laboratory testing efficiency. So this has a high-speed track, which has a total transfer speed of 14,400 test tubes and user-defined stat mode. Yes, so there are various layouts which can be customized as per the lab need. That could be T-type, U, I, or F-type. So this is a small video where it talks about it. If your lab already has an Abbott or a Siemens analyzer system which has been installed, so yes, a Snipe analyzer can also fit in, because we also have a collab with the Inspecto Flexo. Snipe and Infexo has a collaboration. New generation. In 2021, definitely we had Maglumi 800 with our customers, and definitely we took a lot of feedback from them. And in 2021, we came up with the X Series analyzers. This X Series was a groundbreaking X-Tech core technology, wherein the Maglumi X analyzers with the excellent performance, wherein you could see the single QA had come up, upgradation of the software, and improved performances. Our first model, what we came up with, was Maglumi X3, a compact, save your space without compromise. We say this because this analyzer has a throughput of 200 tests per hour, and sample position 72, and reagent position 20. The new thing about the X series was, apart from, yes, I'll say the throughput, there was a difference wherein there was a technology in mixing, the separation of molecules, and also the vortex mixing, which was there, which was not in my earlier model. Maglumi X6, a throughput of 450 tests per hour, with having a reagent position 30, and this is also capable to link with laboratory automation systems. What if you want more sample position? If you go back, you'll see that the sample position is 112. But if you want more samples to be loaded, yes, it can be done through a sample modular. Next model, we have X8, which is 600 throughput per hour. Yes, this is the fastest, I would say, the throughput model in the world that we declare. And this model can also be combined, 4 models together can give you a throughput of 2,400 tests per hour, 300 sample position, and 42 reagent positions. Apart from, everybody know SNIPE in terms of CLIA, but yes, we have more things to give a integrated model, molecular diagnostics, and hemostasis, and definitely electrolyte, which is coming in future. We also have biochemistry, our analyzer, C8, again, which is giving a throughput of 1,600 tests per hour and 300 sample position. As I say, it has a sample modular attached to it. And reagent position 144 that we can see. And when we also have the C10 coming in future, you can just see the features. Yes, this is our integrated model. As I talk about X8, which is 600 throughput, and C8 having a 1,600. So this becomes an integrated model which can handle the great workload. We have been talking about the instrument, but yes, reagent plays a major role. SNIPE has been well known for its menu. So we have 260 parameters at present. So these are some of the menus which I'll take you through. If you want more details, please, we have a stall outside. You can come and we can discuss about it. From thyroid to tumor markers, metabolism, fertility panels, autoimmunes, cardiac markers to infectious disease, drug monitoring. We also have come up with the new panel, which is StatX. When we talk about the menu, but there is something called, when we see that, okay, fine, in a lab, the same company has a model, but now they have come up with a newer version. Oh, you cannot use the same reagent. What to do? But with SNIPE, all the reagents are compatible with all the analyzers, whether you're using on X3, X6, or X8, you can use this reagents. So yes, the main point, we have internal QC and the calibrator coming in the reagent, so you don't have to worry about it, no extra money, and also no hassle, because sometimes you really have to order the calibrator and the control which is not there. So this comes with the kit. And also 2-point calibration. Very important, we have 50 as well as 100 test kits which are being provided. So we have 2 of the freely according to laboratory test needs. There are many test parameters or analytes, I would say, which have a smaller molecule, which is less than 1,000. So our R&D team works towards it for many years, and now we have small molecule sandwich detection technology tests, wherein we have these parameters listed into it. And I'm not taking much time. As I understand, there's not much time. But yes, this is one of the, I would say, the comparison data with the LCMS, liquid chromatography mass spectrometer. And that's the data which you can see for vitamin D, for the estradiol. These are some of the machines which is FDA 510 cleared. We have some of the certification. I'll just take you through, not much into it. Anti-HCV. We have HIV antibody antigen combination, 4th generation with us, which is NIB. All this HIV, HCV, and HBsAg, they are all NIB certified. They are passed, and then the lot comes into the market for the testing. Definitely, being a Chinese company, many times people think that quality is not important to us. Absolutely not. So we provide, we offer Bio-Rad as well as with Randox, the IFU. We have our test parameter in that. Also, Snipe participate in external quality control. We also have few publications. So if I look into it, what you can see is the Asia. I will say the India is the major part which plays into it, and we have a lot of our customers, as I said. We have installation base 4,500, and we are expanding more. We are coming up with more things. We have warehouse, we have certain offices. We are increasing our technical team. As I understand, technical team I just said was very important. So yes, we are also looking forward to it to serve our customers. So I'll just take you through the happy customers globally. From India to the other worlds. X8 users. That's Delhi, Indore, Mumbai Metropolis. We also have 61 units of X8 installed in China. CX8, that's our integrated model I've just talked about. So we have a lot of installation in India as well as other part of the world. Satlar, that's our totally automated system that we look forward to definitely come into India. Thank you everyone for giving your time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. While I request you to stay with us, I'll invite Mr. Sanjay Jha to please step up onto the stage to present a thank you token to Isha ma'am here. If you can please join us to the center. All right, thank you. Thank you so much.